What is thermochemistry? Thermochemistry is defined as a branch of chemistry concerned with the quantities of heat evolved or absorbed during chemical reactions. Why is it so important for us to understand thermochemistry? The result of chemical reactions can actually threaten our health and living conditions because of its negative effects on the environment. Our health and safety may be compromised. How so? The release of chemical waste is called environmental pollution, which is harmful for our environment. This may be in the form of water, atmosphere, or soil. The effects of this to our atmosphere is one of the main reasons on why we are experiencing the effect of global warming. Daily activities like the use of motor vehicles add to emission of the said gas to our atmosphere in such a way that there is a release of carbon monoxide because of the incomplete combustion of octane. What is carbon monoxide? It is a toxic, colorless, and odorless gas where its physical properties make it potentially very dangerous. This diminishes the quality of life. Given the chemical equation, we can now solve for the enthalpy, entropy, and Gibbs free energy to see just how important they are and why we should understand them. Now that we have our enthalpy, we can see that it has a negative value which tells us this is exothermic. This also tells us that this releases heat, and in fact, global warming is caused by heat. And because of the large number or value that this reaction gives us, we can see how damaging it is to the quality of our life. Moving on to entropy. We can see that the value of the result is positive, which tells us that the molecules are more disordered. This is important for us to know because it tells us that it is a gaseous substance, which means that its particles and molecules spreads out more. Because it's a harmful gas, we wouldn't want it to be spreading around the atmosphere we are breathing. The negative value for the Gibbs free energy indicates that the reaction is a spontaneous one, where the reaction has gone through a natural process. This shows us that the reactions resulted to an unwanted product, which is carbon dioxide. Without the knowledge and understanding of thermochemistry, we can actually harm our own health and those around us, as well as for the future generations, because our actions cannot be undone and our future generations cannot do anything to stop it. The ignorance of our daily activities should not be taken lightly. As Scions, we are taught to care for the earth. In our own little ways like biking, jogging, or walking when we can actually help maintain the quality of life. One small step for each person is a huge step for humanity.